Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Ryan with RyanWithTheA'sHat back, and this time guess what I actually got on? The A's hat, come on now. Alright, so on this episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing. You know the shoe is from the title, obviously. It's the Air Jordan 11 Concord, whatever, bro. I'll take the tag off so you can't get my address. Alright, let's do this unboxing. Hold up. I'll make sure y'all can see it. Ooh, shit. That's crazy. I was like, why am I watching you cut open a box? Yes, sir. So we got it open now. Y'all don't need to see the receipt. Air Jordan 11. I never had a pair of 11s before. Let's see how it look. Who gives a fuck about the box? Ooh. That's crazy. Ooh. Hey. Size 10.5. Hold up. Yeah, let me see. Y'all can see this? But y'all don't care, bro. Alright. I got a glue stain on mine. They gave me a glue stain. Look. Alright, first of all, these are fire. Bust downery. You feel me? But look. See if you can see this. Right? Look at this, man. Can you see it? You can't see it on the camera. The camera makes it look hella good. But hold up. Maybe if I... Ugly ass. Look, bro. Look at the glue stain. That's crazy. I really spent $240 for a pair of shoes with a glue stain. And look at this shit. What the fuck? What the hell is that, bro? I'm sick, bro. Let me see the other. The weak ass 45 too. I'm sick, bro. They gave me a return. This pair looks a lot. This right foot looks a lot better. Yeah, this one going crazy right now. Let me get the thumbnail. That's crazy. I was covering you. Hold up. Wait, let me get another. That was it. That's it. That's it, chief. Yeah. But I'm going to keep it even though they helped me with the glue stain. Because this is a certain level of buzz downery. Shout out Blueface. Alright, we're gonna look at Amphi in a second. But what do you guys think before? What do y'all think about these? Y'all think the patent leather's too high? Because a lot of people said that, but honestly, I'm liking the high patent leather. Just look at it. That's kind of cool. But this shit ass, to be honest with you. This 4.5. I need that 23 back. Come on, Jordan. Oh, did y'all see the Bread 11s that are coming out? 3 pairs minimum. Not to be honest, I need 3 pairs of the Bread 4s though. Through the box. Alright, I'm about to put this on foot and I'm gonna tell you if it fits on true to size and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I give a fuck if you like it, but you're gonna respect this crippy. So overall, I'd give these 2018 Jordan 11 Concords probably a cool 8 out of 10. Because if you think about it, these are the worst release of any Concord in my opinion. Because look. The patent leather, I kind of like the high, but it definitely looks better lower. And the 4.5 just ruins it. But since I'm gonna put my pants over that, it doesn't matter anyway. You feel me? But basically, I really like these shoes. I mean, I spent $240. I hope I do. You feel me? But I really appreciate 100 views on my last video. Actually, last time I checked, it was 101. I appreciate that. but 101 views and 23 subscribers. I need y'all to hit, and only 9 likes. I need y'all to hit the like button on this video and sub to this channel. Obviously, Ryan with the A's Hat. You feel me? I got the hat on this time. I need a sub and a like. Please share the video. Follow me on Instagram at Ryan with the A's Hat. Follow me on Snapchat at the Good Juan. Actually, fuck all that. That's all in the description anyway. You feel me? But have everybody. This is it.
I'm smoking on a dank bitch. I'm with that pussy or that shit is stank bitch. Ay, bitch, bang bro. Nigga change so like change clothes.
Here's what they look like with black jeans on. Just a white black 11 on. You know, just something normal. Something real slight. Next, we got the light blue enslaved denim brand jeans. These are ripped. This is probably something I would wear with these. So overall, I give these about an 8 out of 10. Probably the worst release of the Concord so far, but I mean, it's my only pair of them, so I appreciate it. But I want to take this point in the video just to appreciate y'all for liking and subscribing. Oh, you haven't liked and subscribed yet? Alright, here's your chance to do it. Come on, I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, appreciate you guys for doing that. And then go like and subscribe. What? Go like the last video and watch it if you haven't. Alright? It hit 100 views, so I appreciate that a lot, guys. Alright, I'll give you this time for you guys to go click off the video and watch that, okay? Alright, I'll see y'all. Why are you still watching this, bro? Watch the other video and like it. Alright, I don't know why you're still watching. I'll see y'all later. With A's Hat, signing in, signing out.